My name is Mark Miller. I'm age 62, and I was diagnosed with coronary artery disease. I had blockage in 3 vessels in my heart. How it all started is my wife, who was an OR nurse, started exercising, and I was going to exercise with her, encourage her to exercise. When I was doing it, I kept getting tired really fast, and that became a concern, and she encouraged me to go see a cardiologist because of that. My wife, who is a former CV OR nurse, had a lot of questions for the surgeon, and part of it was, what discomfort I was going to feel afterward and whatnot. And I had questions too about, what kind of pain was I going to have from my leg, from the chest, overall. And I was told that the plates would help reduce the pain because they approximate the sternum better and they don't allow it to move like wires do. So we had a lot of questions about that, and that's when he informed me about, though he thought this would be the best way to close my chest. He discussed the plates with me and told me that the type of plate he preferred to use on me was called a low-profile H plate. You can't even feel them on my chest. They're so thin, and he put 2 of those in me. Post-operatively, they just watched the healing of the wound itself and asked me if I felt any movement at times. Well, after the case is over and you're sitting in your hospital bed, you feel like you've been sort of hit by a truck a little bit. There's no specific pain, it's just an overall But I didn't have really any pain from my chest. I had pressure. I felt pressure, but I had no pain. I never once had pain from my chest the entire time. And even weeks later, when I was starting my cardiac rehab, I never had any pain with all the exercising I was doing also. I would always recommend plates. I think it gives that added security that is needed. Just if you see wires by themselves, they seemed a little bit rough, where plates are just a lot more secure. If I ever had to have open heart surgery again, they're definitely going to plate me again.